So I'm going to show you how to enable the sensitive content warning in the Messages app of your iPhone 17 or 17 Pro, so that when someone sends sensitive messages like nude pictures or videos or something just graphic or some dodgy language, you get a warning before that message opens up in your Messages app. So go to settings, and then under settings you want to scroll all the way to the bottom and tap on apps, and then now you can scroll and find messages. That opens up the Messages settings. Now here you'll see sensitive content warning. You can tap on that and enable that option. And then you can also choose the specific areas that you want to enable this for. Okay. You can also opt in to improve sensitive content warning by giving Apple feedback or by using your messages and your data to see or to improve this particular feature. So this is particularly useful if you have kids and you don't want people sending funny messages to them on their phone. You can enable that feature. Thanks for watching and good luck.